So here we see a 3-level snapshot. In this particular example, we really have the document evidence that all the stories that we have released in this release have been tested, see that everything has passed, and keep it for the future. And that's basically what people are doing to generate release documents faster than ever before. So we have reports from customers that when they historically used to do their traceability matrix compared to how they do it today when they work with Xray and with the reports in Xray and then bringing it all into the release documentation in Confluence, it's 6 times faster. So at the moment that you want to release and you don't want to get delayed, then you just want to see that indeed you have covered all your requirements, you can document it easily, and you send the release out.